Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the area of plaster for a building wall step by step. This method is very useful for site engineers, students, contractors, and house owners. Let us start with the given data. Wall height is 3 meters. Room size is 5 meters by 4 meters. Door size is 2 meters by 1 meter. Window size is 1.2 meters by 1.5 meters. And wall thickness is 0.25 meters. First, let us calculate the exterior wall plaster area. The total wall length is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So, 2 multiplied by 5 plus 4, that gives 18 meters. Now, area of wall is equal to length multiplied by height. So, 18 multiplied by 3, that gives 54 square meters. Next, subtract the area of openings. Area of plaster is equal to 54 minus area of 2 windows minus area of door. So, 54 minus 2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 1.5 minus 2 multiplied by 1. That becomes 54 minus 3.6 minus 2. Final exterior plaster area is 48.4 square meters. Now convert it into square feet. 48.4 multiplied by 10.764. That gives 520.98 square feet. So, exterior plaster area is approximately 521 square feet. Now let us calculate the interior wall plaster area. Total internal wall length is 4.5 plus 3.5 plus 4.5 plus 3.5. That gives 16 meters. Area of internal wall is 16 multiplied by 3. That gives 48 square meters. Again subtract the openings. 48 minus 3.6 minus 2. That gives 42.4 square meters. Now convert into square feet. 42.4 multiplied by 10.764. That gives 456.39 square feet. So, interior plaster area is approximately 456 square feet. Now calculate total plaster area. Total plaster area is equal to exterior plaster area plus interior plaster area. So, 520.98 plus 456.39. That gives 977.37 square feet, approximately 978 square feet. So this is how we calculate the total plaster area for a building. For more civil engineering calculations and free civil engineering calculator tools, visit www.civilconcept.com.